Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So it is a fully featured smartwatch loaded with advanced features. As you can see here, we do have a local album for the photos, and we also have application market as well as AI watch face. Another smart feature of this smartwatch is the local storage for music. So as you can see here, you can at least add MP3 songs on the smartwatch and play it here directly without having to connect your smartphone or using the Bluetooth music control for the wearable. Okay, so on this video we are going to try on how to add our own MP3 file to the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And if you want to know more about how to store or download music to your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and add our own MP3 music on the HK10 Ultra smartwatch. Again, this tutorial is all about how to add MP3 files to your smartwatch or on the smartwatch. So let's open the Wear Fit Pro. So let's look for the feature here regarding the local music. We do have here the camera, voice memo. Okay, so we have here the local music. So these are the songs or the sounds on our smartwatch. So let's add our own. As you can see here, we do have a button for the local music, adding local music to the smartwatch. So let's add one. Okay, so we have here our drive, my files. Tap on my files. Let's select our downloaded music. I don't know if you can add. Okay, one music at a time. Let's add this one. Then done. So adding songs to the watch. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode for our MP3 file. So let's wait for the progress bar here to complete before we can check the music. I think the smartwatch do have at least 4 GB of storage space, so you can add a lot of photos, a lot of music files on the smartwatch. Okay, it is a bit slow right now, but I think still it's okay. I think the HK10 Ultra 3 is one of the few smartwatches in the market with a feature to add music on the smartwatch from phone to the smartwatch. Adding songs. So let's wait. We have at least 4 MP3 files on the smartwatch, and we are adding additional song. After this, let's add another one. Okay, it's almost finished, and we are done. I know if it's already here. Let's see. Local music. Go back again to load more. It's not here. I don't see it here. Let's check here on the smartwatch. Music, local songs. So the title of that song is Hey. So we have it here. Okay, I guess we have to refresh it again. Again, add local music, my files, download. Then let's select this one. Then or deeper meaning. Okay, done. Transfer failed. Okay, we don't have any space anymore. I know. I guess we have to delete some of the music here. I don't know if we can delete this here. Okay. I will check on that later on. So we have here the local music. Go back. Go back. So let's try this first. And after this, we'll delete some of the music here if possible. Okay, back to music. Okay, so it works so far, as you can see. Pause, play. We have an option to increase the volume, decrease the volume, increase the volume. Go back, stop. Okay, so that's it. So far it works with our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. You have an option to add the music or to add an MP3 file to the smartwatch. So it's a pretty cool feature here for the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, and of course the support app Wear Fit Pro application. Now that we are done in adding music or MP3 file to our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, it's time to delete some of the wearables so we can add more songs to our smartwatch. So just go to the smartwatch, tap on the music, tap on the local song, then swipe. Okay, so we have here the first one. Let's swipe this one and deleted. Next, deleted. Next, deleted. Another one, another one. Back to me, remove this one, fast forward. Then we'll try if we can add a new MP3 file to the smartwatch. Okay, we only have one left. Go back again to the music section, local music of the support app. Then add local music again. Then select my files. Let's go to the downloads and let's select this one. Then done. And as you can see here, it's now adding this song or the MP3 file to our smartwatch. So let's wait for it to finish and we'll try to play this song if it works or not. Okay. Okay, it's almost finished here. So let's wait. And in just a few seconds, we have the song added to our or downloaded to our smartwatch. So that's it. Okay, so let's check. Let's go to the music section, local songs, and we have here the added song or the added MP3. So let's tap on this one. Nice. Stop. Play. Next. Stop. Play. Go back. Okay, so that is a very good feature for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, and so far it works. And this smartwatch is one of the few wearable for 2025, okay, in the market with the option to add or download MP3 file from the smartphone to the smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.